so I'm just going to walk over here. I just want to show that I'm not using any of the controls. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, welcome to the Captain Drone YouTube channel. My name is Steve, and this is
my name is Steve.
Take two, here we go.
All right,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, welcome to the Captain Drone YouTube channel. My name is Steve, and over here we have Jedi Steve, and today we have, what the is it? Hey everyone, welcome to the Captain Drone YouTube channel. My name is Steve. This is Jedi Steve, and this is the Roban EC-135. It is a GPS heli for beginners, but it also has the ability to be flown by a pro. Jedi Steve is a pro. Yeah, he's gonna fly it in the manual angle mode, and I'm gonna fly it in the beginner GPS mode, and we'll show you how it flies. What is the claim to fame on this beast? Well, it has this really cool prop system in the back that's called a
Fenestron.
So Fenestron is pretty cool. It also has up front, it has a searchlight on the bottom. I'll show you it working in some picture. Yeah, it's pretty neat. And you can control the searchlight with your remote there. It does fly on this battery down here. It's a 4800 milliamp hour 4S LiPo battery, and it does come with the remote, and it's ready to go out of the box. No GPS calibration, nothing. At least I hope not, because I'm gonna fly it straight out of the box. So here we go. Now, before we take this heli for a flight, let's check out what comes in the box. The first item would be the user manual. The second item would be a set of decals that you can place on the heli. Next, you receive a battery charger, and power supply. A fully programmable radio remote is included, as well as a user manual for the radio. You'll notice that the joysticks on the radio sit in the middle, which is perfect for beginner pilots. The radio is powered by 4 AA batteries, and those batteries are not included. Several accessories are included for the radio. The next item in the box would be the heli, and as you can see in this video, I've already attached many of the decals onto the heli. A set of rear stabilizer fins are included, and you will need to screw them into the back of the heli, and when attached it looks like this, complete with LED lights. A set of clear canopy windows are also included if you wish to install them. Looking inside the heli, you can see the dual ESC, the battery, and the flight controller. As we move the camera up the rotor, you can see that everything is made out of CNC metal. The main construction of the heli is fiberglass. The entire body is made out of fiberglass. The rotor system is made out of CNC metal and all its components, and finally there's a little bit of plastic for some other parts. In this image you can see the flight controller, and in this image you can see the receiver. The flight controller does have a status light on it, and when it's blinking green it means it has a GPS lock. The main motor is a brushless motor, as well as the tail motor is a brushless motor. The included searchlight has already been installed and bound to the radio. 4 blades are included, which are very simple to install, and when you install them, it should look like this. All right, Jedi Steve, what I'm going to do is take a piece of double-sided alien tape right here, and I'm going to put it on the side of the heli, just so that I can place my Insta360 Go camera on the side and give some really cool footage. One thing as well, if you look over here, you'll see there's no windows. They give you the windows in the package just in case you want to install them, but if you leave them off, it's because you want the heat from the ESC in the motor to get it out this area. So I'm going to leave them off just in case it gets warm. Let's get this going. So the first thing you do, you take your little remote here, all these switches, push them all the way to the top, press these 2 buttons down here, and it should start up. So when you look at your radio with all the switches up, you're going to see a black line on the TX all the way across. That shows this is your transmitter. TX stands for transmitter. It has full power, but below it it's going to say RX and show no power, and that's because we haven't plugged the heli in yet, but we're about to do that. I'm just going to set the switches to what they should be set to. So I'm going to set the one on the left to cut. This one here, the accessory, that's for my light. I'll show you that in a second. Leave this one up on GPS mode, and over here off on return to home, because we don't need return to home happening right now. Pull the nose off. It's just magnetically held in place. Plug in the battery. It's an XT60 cable. Plug them together. There we go. Get them in nice and tight. This is going to do a little dance. Do your dance. There we go. And then over here there's a light. I don't know if you can see it, Steve. I'll move this.
Try to,
see that?
Flashy
the flashy light.
Turquoise.
That's your light for GPS. So that's your flight controller light. So you got to watch that light and wait till it goes. I believe it has to go green. Yeah, it's green. It's got it now. If you can bring your camera down, Steve, down here. I'm going to bring this over at the same time. See down here? That's the switch on the remote to turn your accessory light on. There you go.
Okay, that's nice and bright.
Yeah, it's very bright. So I'm going to leave it on for the flight.
Yep.
I also have right here, if you look, I put a little blinky light. You can get these off of Amazon, and I'm going to put it on
Flashy white.
Let's see. What pattern do I like? I like that pattern.
Yeah,
there we go.
that's good.
So that's gonna go up top. That's just so we see it better. And magnetically, everything goes back together. So all my switches are correct. And if I've done all the switches correct, we'll have an awesome flight. So the first thing you do is make sure you're on cut over here. And accessory, I have the light on. Over here, I'm in GPS mode. And over here, I have return to home off. And then what you do is you hold this down. See if I can do it. Down and in. Count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then hit run. And here we go, baby!
And sure started quickly.
It's got a lot of power in that little fan.
Yes.
I gotta walk over here a little bit so I can get behind it. Now it should go up nice and smooth.
There you go, and it did.
I'm just gonna walk over here. I just want to show that I'm not using any of the controls. I'm just walking around this baby. Oh wow, look at that bright light up front.
Let me try to catch that.
Yeah, go check it out. It almost blinds me. Here, I'll bring it over to you.
Oh yeah, looks good.
Very bright.
Yeah, it looks very good.
Okay, so let me just fly it around really quick and then we're gonna land it.
All right.
So this is GPS mode. I'm gonna bring it up a bit. There we go. And I'm gonna bring it back at me with that light. Here we go. Maybe you can see it, maybe you can't see it.
Yeah, I don't know how the camera will catch it, but it sure is bright.
There we go, Steve. I'll have it come at you with the light. Just please get out of the way.
Yeah, I'll try to get out of the way. Yeah, that's a good idea.
There we go. I'll have it come this way a little bit. Can you see the light? More at you. Hop out of the way if it's coming.
There you go. You'll probably be able to see it, yes.
So it's very easy to fly. It's in GPS mode. I'm gonna bring it up a little higher. There we go. GPS return to home. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. She should go into return to home. There it goes. Keep following it. So this is a heli you would go to your field and fly around and have a blast of fun with in GPS mode. And then when you get skills, you can fly it in angle mode or manual mode. We're keeping this video short because Jedi Steve is going to fly it next in angle mode and manual mode. We'll just watch it come down now. Make sure it's not on any of my bags. No. Oh, kind of. I might have to take control. Let me just move the bag here.
It's the camera. Yeah, no, I think it's... Oh!
Whoa! It hit my camera.
Oh, that's the... Oh, no!
Not another broken lens.
Oh!
All right, so everybody watching, that was a disaster.
Yes.
Every time I bring out Jedi Steve, there's always a disaster. Anyways, I have to show the video because everything was totally my fault again. It came down, returned to home, I was doing well, but it hit this camera and it hit the lens. It blasted the outside portion of the lens. Thank God I had like a little ND filter on it. It toasted that. There's glass everywhere. So this camera still functions. It's pretty banged up though. Yeah. And well, this guy, here.
We're sad now.
The good thing is it is repairable. I need a new canopy if I want a new canopy.
For sure, yeah.
All the guts are good. It needs new blades. You can see I'm cut. It's not supposed to look like that. The rear end is good. It'll fly again. The flight controller is good. These things happen. And the reason I show them on my channel is because I'm human. Jedi Steve is superhuman, but his superhuman powers could not stop this from happening. Could not save him. Jedi Force was not working. So anyways, I'm going to put links below to where you can get this. It's on the BANGGOOD website. Trust me, it flies really well in GPS mode. Just don't be a total goofball like me and leave all your gear around the landing
Too close
area.
Maybe a little bit, but hey, lesson learned. You know how many lessons I learned in these videos? Watch all of my Captain Drone videos and you will see I learned a lesson in almost every one. I don't know why I still do this. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video.
If you think you can fly this better than me and would not have these problems, post your comments below. I'm pretty sure I'll get a lot of comments because everybody's an expert except me. And the links are below to where this is on the BANGGOOD site. It is on sale right now, so there's a discount code, everything. You can pick it up super cheap. Trust me when I say it's a good...
This one you can pick it up super cheap?
Yeah, this one you can have super cheap. I'll sell you this super cheap. But it will get repaired and flown again another day. For now, I say thanks for watching. If you have questions on this baby or comments on this video, post them below. And I'll catch you in a new video coming soon with more products.
With better luck, maybe next time.
With better luck, with more products I hopefully don't destroy. Until then, bye.